In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange products in WooCommerce. If you want more control over how products appear in your store, WooCommerce makes it easy to manually adjust their order. This is especially useful if you want to feature certain items first, organize seasonal products, or simply create a cleaner browsing experience for your customers. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, settings, and store products. Once you're signed in, head over to the products section in the left-hand menu and then click All Products. This will open the full list of products currently available in your WooCommerce store. From here, look above the product list for the sorting tab and click it. This switches the view into a manual sorting mode, which allows you to change the display order by dragging and dropping products. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the tabs near the top of the product page, since that's where WooCommerce places the sorting option. Once you're in the sorting view, click and hold the product you want to move, then drag it up or down into the position where you want it to appear. As you move products around, think about the order that makes the most sense for your customers. For example, you might place bestsellers near the top, group related products together, or move high priority items into more visible positions. After you drop a product into its new spot, WooCommerce saves the new layout automatically. That means you don't need to click an extra save button, which makes the process quick and efficient. You can continue dragging additional products until the list looks the way you want. A helpful tip here is to make your changes carefully and give the page a second to update as you work, especially if you have a large product catalog. This helps ensure everything stays in the right order. It's also a good idea to preview your shop afterwards so you can confirm that the product arrangement appears the way you intended on the front end of your site. And that's all it takes to rearrange products in WooCommerce. Once you know where the sorting option is, updating your product order becomes a simple part of store management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.